नमस्ते बच्चों. Now I am here with the remaining question of your exercise 3rd F, as we have started exercise 3F in previous class and we have solved some questions of this exercise. Now I am here with the remaining question of this exercise, and today I am going to start with question number 12. You have to factorize AQ minus 0.064. As you can see, I have written the identity, that is formula AQ minus BQ is equal to A minus B and A square plus AB plus B square. So let us factorize it. A cube can be written as A the whole cube, and this we know that 64 is the cube of 4. So write here 4, and after decimal there is 3 digit, so put 0.4. The 0.064 will be the cube of 0.4, because 0.4 cube when multiplied, 0.4 multiplied with 0.4 will multiplied with 0.4. Then we just multiplied 4 multiplied by 4 will be equal to 64. And now count the number of decimal places of number, that is number of digits after decimal. 1 digit is here, 2 digit, and this is 3 digit. So you have to put the decimal after 3 digit. So when we multiply 4 with 4 and then with 4, we will get 64, and it is only 2 digits, so put 1 0 and then put decimal, then it will be equal to 0.064. As you can see, this is the number 0.064. so we have written this is the cube of 0.4, as you can see here. Okay, now let us factorize it. So to factorize, now here we have at the place of A, we can see at the place of A there is A, so A is equal to A, but B is equal to, at the place of B there is 0.4, so write here 0.4. Now you have to put the value of this A and B in this identity. Okay, then you have to write A minus B, so write at the place of A you have to write A, and at the place of B you have to write 0.4, and then you have to write A square, so write A square minus plus AB, so A into B, at the place of B you have to write 0.4 and then B square, to 0.4 the whole square. Now it will become A minus 0.4, and A the whole square will be A square, and 0.4 multiplied by A will be 0.4A, and when we square 0.4 it will be 4 square is 16, and after decimal there will be 2 digits, so 16 contains 2 digits, then you have to put decimal, and then before it you have to put 0. Okay, so this is the factorization for the given question. This is your final answer. Now let us see next question. Let us see question number 14. Okay, question number 14 is x cube upon 216 minus 8y cube. You have to factorize it. So this can be written as x upon 6 the whole cube, and this can be written as 2y the whole cube. Now here at the place of A we have x upon 6, and at the place of B we have 2y, and the formula we have just written here, AQ minus BQ is equal to a minus b a square plus ab plus b square. Okay, a minus b a square plus ab plus b square, or let us write again here, a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square minus ab plus b square plus ab plus b square. So at the place of a you have to write x upon 6. So write here x upon 6 minus b. At the place of b you have to write 2y, and then a square, then x upon 6 the whole square will be here, and minus ab. So x upon 6 will be multiplied by 2y, and then 2y the whole square, b square. Then x upon 6 minus 2y, and here will be multiplied by x square will be x square, and 6 square will be 36, and this 6 will be cancelled by 2 in 3 times. So we left with xy upon 3, or 1 upon 3 xy, and plus 2y the whole square will be 4y square. This is your answer. Okay. Now let us see question number 17. You have to factorize it. Let us write the formula first here. A cube minus b cube we will use in this factorization is equal to a minus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Okay. Then let us factorize it. We have to factorize it, so we can see 3 is common in both the term. So take 3 as common first. Now a power 7 is here and a power 4 is here. So a power 4 will be common. The lowest power of a will be common, and lowest power of a is a power 4, and b power 1 is here and b power 4 is here. So b power 1 will be common. Then here we left with 3 is common. A power 7 minus a power 4 will be a power 3, and b is already have taken as common. So aq will left here, and then minus sign is there, and now 81 will be when divided by 3, 27 will be there, and a power 4 is already taken as common, and then b power 4 when divided by b, then b power 3 will left here. Now we have to factorize this. Okay, so let us factorize it. This will be equal to 3a power 4b, and this will remains the same. Now we have to factorize this. This will be written as a the whole cube, and 27 is the cube of 3, and b cube is the cube of 3b. So it will be written as 3b the whole cube. Now here a is equal to a itself and b is equal to 3b. So you have to put the value of a and b in this expression. So it will become 3a power 4b, and then you have to write a minus b. So at the place of a you have to write a, and at the place of b you have to write 3b, and then you have to write a square, that is a the whole square, minus a into b. At the place of b you have to write 3b, and then plus b will be plus ab will be here. So it will be plus, and then plus b the whole square. Then it will be 3a power 4b, a minus 3b here will remain the same, and now simplify it. A the whole square will be a square plus 3b multiplied by a will be 3ab, and 3b whole square will be 9b square. This is your answer. Okay. Now let us see one more question. Question number 20. it is given that you have to factorize 1029 minus 3x cube. So in this 3 is common, so take 3 as common, then 343 will be left here and x cube will left here. Now 3 will be common, then this can be written as 7 the whole cube and minus x the whole cube. Now it can be written as 3 and a minus b. At the place of a you have to write 7 and at the place of b you have to write x, and then in multiplication you have to write a square. So write here 7 the whole square minus a into b, that is 7 into, at the place of b you have to write x, and then b square, that is x square. Then it will be equal to 3, 7 minus x, and 7 square is 49 minus 7x plus x square. This is the answer for the given question. Okay. Let us see question number 22. You have to factorize x to the power 9 minus y to the power 9. So x to the power 9 can be written as x to the power 3 and then whole power 3. As you know that x to the power m, the whole power n will be equal to x to the power mn. So if we multiply this 3 and then n is also 3, then 3 multiplied by 3 mn, 3 multiplied by 3 will be equal to 9. Okay. So this x to the power 9 can be written as x to the power 3 raised to the power 3. Now this is based on this identity, a cube minus b cube. So it will be equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Now here a is equal to, at the place of a we have x cube and at the place of b we have y cube. So this can be written as x a minus b, that is x cube minus y cube, and then you have to write what, a square. So at the place of a square write here x cube the whole square, then plus ab, x cube into y cube, and plus b square, y cube in the whole square. At the place of b you have to write y cube. So this will be equal to x cube minus y cube, and x power 6 will be there, 3 multiplied by 2 will be 6, and x cube y cube plus y raised to the power 6. Okay. Now this is the identity, x cube minus y cube is equal to x minus y into x square minus plus xy plus y cube, sorry, square, and then it will remain the same, x power 6, x cube, y cube, and then y power 6. So this is the factorization for the given question. Okay. Now this can be also factorized. You can see here this can be also factorized. How it will be factorized, let us see. This will be x minus y, and then you have to write x square plus xy plus y square, and now this can be factorized as, this can be written as x cube the whole square, okay, a square, and plus, now write this y power cube and then whole square, and plus 2 is a square plus b square. Here a is x cube, b is y cube, and then 2ab is needed. So write here 2x cube y cube. But here in the this expression x cube y cube, 1x cube y cube is there. So subtract x cube y cube from this. Okay. Then this can be written as x minus y x square plus xy plus y square, and now this will be the based on this is based on identity, and identity is x cube plus y cube a plus b the whole square, and then x cube minus y cube will be here. Okay, now this can't be factorized, so this will be your answer. If a square will be there, then if a square is there, then it can be factorized, so this will be your final answer. Okay, x minus y x square plus xy plus y square multiplied by x power 6 x cube y cube plus y power 6 is the final answer for the given question. Okay, let us see question number 24. It is given that you have to factorize 8a cube minus b cube minus 4ax plus 2bx. So 8a cube minus b cube will be together, and in these two you can see 4 is here and 2 is here, so 2 is common, and x is also common. So in bracket we will left 4 divided by 2 will be 2, and x is common, so a will be left here, and then here minus multiplied by plus will be minus, and 2x is common, so b will left here. Okay, now this can be factorized as based on a cube, that is 2a the whole cube, and minus b the whole cube, and this will remains the same, 2x 2a minus b. Now here the formula we have already written here, a cube minus b cube is a minus b square plus ab plus b square. So at the place of a here we have 2a, so write here 2a, and minus b, at the place of b you have to write b, and then you have to write a square, that is 2a the whole square, and minus ab, that is 2a multiplied by b, and then b square, and then we have here 2x multiplied by 2a minus b. Okay, now this 2a minus b and this 2a minus b will be common, so here we left with 2a the whole square will be 4a square minus 2a multiplied by b will be 2ab, and plus b the whole square will be b square, and here 2a minus b is common, so 2x will be left here. Okay, so this is your factorization for the given question. Okay, now let us see one more question, 26. It is given in the fraction a cube minus 1 upon a cube minus 2a plus 2 upon a. So let us factorize it. A cube can be written as a the whole cube, 1 by a cube can be written as 1 by a the whole cube, and then minus 2a is here, so 2 is common, then a will left here, and minus when multiplied by plus will be minus, and 2 is taken as common, then what will left here, 1. The factor of 2 is 1 will left here, and upon a will left, 1 upon a will left here. Now this is based on a cube minus b cube, at the place of a we have a, and at the place of b we have 1 upon a, so its formula is a minus b. So at the place of a you have to write a, and at the place of b you have to write 1 upon a, and then at the a square then you have to write a the whole square minus ab, then at the place of a you have to write a, and at the place of b you have to write 1 upon a, and then b square, then at the place of b you have to write 1 upon a the whole square, and minus 2a minus 1 upon a is here. Okay, now you can see this 1 a minus 1 by a, and here also in second term also we have a minus 1 upon a, so it will be common. A minus 1 upon a will be common. Then we left with a the whole square will be a square, and this a cancel with this a, minus 1 will left here, and plus 1 square is 1, and a the whole square will be a square, and minus 2 will left here. If as we have taken a minus 1 upon a as common, then what will left here? 2. So write here minus 2. Then we have a upon 1 upon a minus 1 upon a multiplied with a square plus 1 upon a square, right? And then minus 1 minus 2 will be added, it will become minus 3. So this is your answer for the given factorization. Okay, now let us see question number 30. It is very important question. Okay, so x power 6 minus 7x cube minus 8, you have to factorize it. So it can be written as x square the whole cube, sorry, x cube the whole square minus 7x cube is here and minus 8. Now you can see x cube is here and x cube is also here. So let us put, on putting x power 3 is equal to y, we get at the place of x cube you have to put y, so it will become y, and a square is there, so put y square on y, and then minus 7 at the place of x cube you have to write y, so write y here, minus 8. Now it becomes a quadratic trinomial. You have to factorize it. You know, to factorize it you have constant term is minus 8, and now you have to choose two factors so that their sum is equal to minus 7 and their product is equal to minus 8. So minus 8 can be written as minus 8 into 1 as the product of two factors. Minus 8 multiplied by 1 will be minus 8, and minus 8 plus 1 will be equal to minus 7. So this can be written as y square minus 8y and plus 1y, that is y, and minus 8. Then it will divided into two parts. Now in first part y is common, so y will left here and minus 8 will left, and in second part nothing is common, then 1 is common, and then y minus 8 will be here. Now y minus 8 is common, then in first part y will left, and in second part 1 will left. Now put the value of y in from equation first. The value of y is x cube, so it will become x cube minus 8, and the second one become x cube plus 1. Now it is based on both the identities. This can be written as x the whole cube minus 2 the whole cube, and this can be written as x the whole cube and plus 1 the whole cube. It is on the identity a cube minus b cube, and this is based on a cube plus b cube. Okay, now a cube minus b cube is a minus b. At the place of a here we have x, and at the place of b here we have 2. So a minus b will be x minus 2, and a square, so x the whole square will be here, and minus ab, a is x and b is 2, and then b square. And now you have to factorize this based on a cube plus b cube. So here we have a plus b, that is at the place of a here we have x, and at the place of b here we have 1, and then a square, that is x the whole square minus ab, here plus will be here, and here will be minus, because plus is here, so it will be minus ab, that is x into 1, and then b square, that is 1 square. Okay, now it will be x minus 2, and this will become x square. 2 multiplied by x will be 2x, and 2 square will be 4, and then x plus 1, then x square will be equal to x square, minus x multiplied by 1 will be minus x, and 1 square will be 1. So let us write it in order. Write x plus 1 first, then write x minus 2, then write x square plus 2x plus 4, and then x square minus x plus 1. This is your factorization. Okay. Let us see question number 34. You have to factorize 8x plus y the whole cube minus 27x minus y the whole cube. So let us put, this will be too long. In fact, when we factorize it, it will be too long. So minimize it, let us put x plus y is equal to a and x minus y is equal to b. Then it will become 8. At the place of x plus y you have to write a, and cube is here, so it will be a cube, and minus 27, and at the place of x minus y you have to write b, and cube is there, so it will be b cube. So we have now 8a cube minus 27b cube. Now let us factorize it first, and then after factorizing we will put the original value of a and b in the factors. Okay. Now it can be written as 2a the whole cube, and this can be written as 3b the whole cube. Now you know the formula, x cube minus y cube is x minus y, and x square minus xy, plus xy plus y square. Okay, and at the place of x here, at the place of x we have 2a, x is equal to 2a, and y is equal to 3b. Okay, then let us put the value of x and y in this expression. To factorize it, we have to put the value of x and y, 2a and 3b. So it will be 2a minus 3b, and then here will be 2a square plus 2a into 3b, and then 3b the whole square. Okay, then it will be 2a minus 3b, and then we have 4a square plus 2 3 ja 6 ab, and then 9b square. Now let us put the value, original value of a and b. Here we have to write, at the place of a we have to write x plus y, so write here x plus y, and then 3b, at the place of b we have to write x minus y, and then 4a square, then 4, at the place of x you have to write x plus y, and 6x plus y into x minus y, and then plus 9x minus y the whole square. Then it will be 2x, multiply 2y minus 3x, and minus minus plus 3y, and then here we know the formula of a plus b the whole square. It will be 4x square y square plus 2xy, and this will be equal to plus 6x plus y into x minus y will be x square minus 6y square, and then plus 9 x square minus 2xy plus y square. We have we have explained x plus y the whole expanded x plus y the whole square, x square plus y square plus 2xy, and x plus y x minus y is the identity a plus b a minus b, which will be x square minus y square, and multiplied by 6 will be 6x square minus 6y square, and we have expanded x minus y the whole square on the identity a minus b the whole square, then it will be x square minus 2xy plus y square. Now let us multiply it, and here 2x and minus 3x is here, so it will be minus x, and 2y plus 3y will become plus 5y. Okay, and into we have to write 4x square plus 4y square plus 8xy plus 6x square minus 6y square and plus 9x square and plus minus 18xy plus 9y square. Then we have minus x plus 5y into 4x square plus 6x square 10x square and 9x square. 10 plus 9 will be 19x square. Now 4y square plus 9y square will be 13y square, and minus 6y square will be 13 minus 6 will be 7y square, and 8xy is here and minus 18xy is here. 8xy minus 18xy will be minus 10xy. This is your final answer. Okay, this will be your final answer. Minus x plus 5y, 19x square plus 7y square minus 10xy will be your final answer. So this question is too long of full page. Okay, so first we have to put x plus y is equal to a and x minus y is equal to b, and then we have the expression 8a cube minus 27b cube. Now factorize it based on a cube minus b cube, x cube minus y cube, and x cube minus y cube is equal to, we have written x minus y, x square plus xy plus y square, x is equal to 2a and y is equal to 3b. At the place of x we have 2a and at the place of y we have 3b. Now put this value of x and y in this expression, then it will be factorized, and at last you have to put the value of a and b in this expression which we have supposed earlier, and then you have to simplify it. After simplifying, after adding and subtracting the like terms, we will finally get the answer, which is equal to a minus x plus 5y into 19x square plus 7y square minus 10xy. Okay, now let us see the last question of this exercise. The last question of this exercise. Okay, let us see. The last question is given in the form of 59 into 59 into 59 minus 9 into 9 into 9 upon 59 into 59 plus 59 into 9 plus 9 into 9 is equal to 50. You have to prove it. Okay, this is 9 into 9. Okay, now let us start with LHS. Your LHS is 59 into 59 into 59. So this can be written as 59 multiplied by 3 times, so it will be written as cube, and this can be also written as 9 cube. And now in denominator we have 59 into 59, that is 59 the whole square, and then plus 59 into 9, and then we have 9 into 9, that is 9 the whole square. Now let us expand it on the identity AQ minus BQ. A is equal to 59 and B is equal to 9. So AQ minus BQ is A minus B, that is A, the value of A is 59 minus 9, and then 50 A square, 59 square plus 59 into 9, and plus B square, that is 9 the whole square, and in denominator we have 59 the whole square plus 59 into 9 and plus 9 the whole square. You can see this expression and this expression are same, so this will be cancelled. Then we left with 59 minus 9, which is equal to 50, which is your RHS. Okay, so today we have finished exercise 3rd F. Now we will see the next exercise in next class, and your next class will be after summer vacation. Okay, have a nice day and do the assignment given for the summer vacation in assignment notebook. A special assignment notebook should be prepared for CBSE for internal assessment. Okay.